Hi, this is Julie, and I want to talk about one of my favorite indicators that I use for day trading, and that is MP lines indicator from FinAlg, fin-alg.com, final financial algorithms software for traders. And I use the MP lines indicator. You pop over here to the products. You can scroll down, and here it is, the MP lines. The $249 one-time purchase, and this explains the indicator. And shows you how to do the settings. But it is a fantastic indicator. I've got it up here. I use it all the time. It extends the lines from the previous value areas. So you have your session high and your session low. You have your previous value high. You have your previous value low. And those lines extend out. And price, when they hit these previous value lines and the point of control line, will often react and turn around. For instance, crude loves to come down and test the previous value low in an uptrend and then turn around to go the opposite direction. And I'm looking to time my trades in the market when I'm in an uptrend to try to capture an inflection at a previous value low and get back in for the trade. This is a wonderful area, and conversely, for a downtrend, you want to wait for price to come up to a previous value high and then look for an inflection back to the downside. We're now in a distribution from our new market high of 62.58. So I will be looking for price to retrace up to this value area high area and be looking for an inflection back down at these locations. There are several ways to use this indicator. You can slice and dice it in many different ways. This is on a one-day value. You can set your daily value. If you want to look at a 5-day value zone to get your weekly bearings, to see where price is reacting to the previous week low. For instance, we did not breach the previous week low. This is a great indicator, and it gives you your histogram to show you where price is likely to be filling in. So if we are going to build a high volume node here, then you can get your bearings for where price is likely to start filling in, to go back in and start working on those other areas. You can also change this to a monthly. That was a 5-day value. You can change it to your 20-day value to get a capture of what in your mind is looking like for the month. And here I can see that we're trading at the bottom of the month now. So most likely, since we're overextended on the month, I'll be looking for it to pop back up towards the point of control. So you can get your bearings and like price is starting to move back inside here. Again, once it gets to my previous level, that's where I look to do my volume shifts. Or not volume, did I say volume? I meant price shifts. But you can see how price respects these levels and trades inside them. 20 days and 5 days. I like the 25. If you don't like to set your 20 and 5 day that way, you can put this back on a daily one, or just change your service type to a week, month, year, days back, minute. You can do intraday charts, like if you want to try a 60-minute, you can do that. If you want like just to use the regular trading session, the pit session, you can also set it to that. Let me make sure I've got it back on the day period. Not 60 days, 1 day. And this shows you a different distribution of your highs and lows. This just shows you the highs and lows for the pit session. And anything outside the pit will show you the expansion. And this also traders like to use intraday to get a bearing on these price inflections and the range expansions. So there's many ways to slice and dice this indicator. It's just fabulous. What I like about it also is I have the settings set up for BloodHound. So you can use this as a BloodHound template. And put your MP lines indicator up here. And you can use the regular trading hours, you can use the day, you can change your session links, you can use the current value or the previous value, but there's many different ways to be using these value areas. If you want to trade outside the value area high and low to set inflections up. So I like using this indicator with BloodHound because I can set it for trend outside the value area low, or if I want to take trades outside of the previous value area high or low inflections. There's a lot of different ways to set up the indicator to use with BloodHound. If you want to just set up inflections, with this, I mean, do you see how simple it is to pop these in and be looking for trades in the direction that price action is going, not what you think price is going, but actual price action from a value area? There's many ways that you can just very, very, very simply use this to get a bearing on when to exit or enter a trade with value. So the value MP lines indicator is something that I use in my trading all the time, and I just thought that I would share it with you. You've got session values, you've got previous point of control, all kinds of different levels that you can play with. And again, you can set it up so that you can get a 3-day, 5-day, 60-minute, 30-minute, whatever value area that you're looking for to capture. So I hope you enjoy that indicator and use it with BloodHound like I have, and let me know how you like it.